Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Maseline Fruta Tumala, 34 years old, single. I came from Philippines. I'm presently residing at Bradia Bees Home Village, Lat Krabang Road, Bangkok, Thailand. I graduated from University of Southeastern Philippines, Tagum Campus, Tagum City, Davao del Norte, last 2012. I took up Bachelor of Elementary Education. I am a board passer with teaching license. I have 6 years of teaching experience in different elementary grade level from grade 1 to 6 in Philippines. I have 2 years home-based tutor teacher in Taipei, Taiwan, teaching ages 3 to 13 years old. In addition, I have 1 month teaching experience in Thailand, in multi-grade level ages 2 to 13 years old, in Amshine Gifted Learning Center at Lat Krabang Road, Bangkok, Thailand. I finished my master's degree of Master of Arts in Christian Education last 2023 at California, USA, Philippine Extension. I have TESOL, TESL, TEFL, and TEYL.